Welcome to my channel Civil Cap. Today we will study about the slope deflection equation numerical 2. In the previous video we have studied about the sway analysis and non-sway analysis of frames. So we will solve numericals related with the same. Now a question is given to us in this form where we have two members AB and BC, where BC is loaded with a UDL of 12 kN per meter and AB has no loading, and a cantilever has been suspended from the point B where a point load is given of 20 kN. The moment of inertia for both the members AB and BC is different, as we can see that the moment of inertia for member AB is I and BC is just double, that is 2I. We have to analyze the beam by slope deflection method and draw a bending moment diagram for this given question. So our first step is to find out the fixed end moments, as in the previous videos I have explained how the fixed end moments are found for different types of supports. If you are new in this video, you can refer my previous video for fixed end moments. So our step number 1 is to find out the fixed end moments. We'll start from the support A. Here we can see that in the member AB there is no loading, hence the fixed end moment here will be 0. So I'll write MFAB is equal to MFBA, both will be equal to 0. Again, now I'll find MFBD. So here we'll find out simple bending moment, that is force into perpendicular distance. Distance is 1 meter, that is the distance of 20 kN from the end B is 1 meter, as we can see in the diagram. Therefore my fixed end moment here will be 20 kN meter. Here we can write, since BD is a cantilever, hence we have found out fixed end moment by simple analysis. Now I'll find out the fixed end moment for the next member, that is BC. So here the fixed end moment will be MFBC. Now as we can see that here a UDL is loaded, hence my fixed end moment for the beam having UDL is negative WL square upon 12. Here the value of the W is 12 kN per meter and L is equals to 4 meter. Therefore my values here will be negative 12 multiplied by 4 square divided by 12, which will give me negative 16 kN meter. Now again I'll find out the fixed end moment, that is MFCB, as we know that for a similar type of member only the direction of the moment changes. Therefore here my value will be 16 kN meter. So in this way we can find out our first step, that is fixed end moments. Our second step is to find out the slope deflection equation. As in the previous video we have also studied about the slope deflection equations. So for slope deflection equation you can refer my previous video. Here the first value we will find out, that is slope deflection equation for MAB. So what is the formula? We know that MFAB, that is fixed end moment for the member AB, plus 2EI upon L, 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 del upon L. So we know that here in the frame, as you can see the diagram in the screen below, that the frame is having fixed ends at A and C. Therefore the rotation will be 0 at A and at C. Therefore we'll take theta A is equals to 0. Again we have solved from the fixed end moment that MFAB is equals to 0. Now we'll put the values in the equation. Therefore MFAB will be 0. Now 2E, the value of I here is I as given in the question, and value of L is 3 meter, and again I'll put the value of theta A is equals to 0 plus theta B. I don't know the value of theta B, so I will let it remain as it is, and again there is no settlement shown, that is the value of the del will again be 0. Therefore my value will be 0. So after solving I'll get 2 by 3 EI theta B. Now my value for MBA will be equals to fixed end moment at BA plus 2EI upon L. Here the value of the 2 will be multiplied with theta B plus theta A negative 3 del upon L. Here we have find out the value of MFAB is equals to 0 as in the previous step we have solved, and theta A will again be 0. Now putting the values, I will get 0 plus 2EI upon the value of L will be 3, and theta A will again be 0 plus 2 into theta B, that will remain as it is, minus 0. So after solving, I will get 4 by 3 EI theta B. Now we'll solve for MBC, that is fixed end moment at BC plus 2 EI upon L multiplied by 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 del upon L. By putting the value, we'll get the value of MFBC will be equals to negative 16 plus 2E, and I here will be 2I, and value of L as specified in the question is 4, again which will be equal to multiplied by 2 theta B plus theta C. As we know that theta C here will be equals to 0 as the end C is a fixed support. Now after solving, we'll get the value as negative 16 plus 2 EI theta B. Now in the last, I'll solve for MCB, that is MFCB plus 2 EI L upon theta B plus 2 theta C negative 3 del upon L. Here there is no settlement specified, therefore the value of 3 del upon L is 0 in all the above equations, and theta C will again be 0 as it has a fixed end. Now I'll put the values, that will be 16 plus 2 I is again 2I, and value of L is 4. Now theta B plus 2 theta C. Value of theta C is again 0. The final equation, I'll get 16 plus EI theta B. So in this way I can solve my step 2, that is slope deflection equation. Now my third step is to find out the equilibrium equation at a point where all the moments are acting. At the point B, we'll do the summation of all the forces coming at point B will be equal to 0. That is summation of MB will equal to be 0. Now we know that at point B 3 moments are acting, that is MBA, MBC and MBD. That is summation of all the moments will equal to be 0. Now substituting the value of MB, MBC and MBD from the slope deflection equation, I will get 4 by 3 EI theta B minus 16 plus 2 EI theta into theta B plus 20. All the values I have found in the previous step. Now by simplifying, I will get 10 by 3 EI theta B is equals to negative 4, or again EI theta B will be equals to negative 1.2. So this will be my value what I will put in the previous step slope deflection equation, and I will find out the values of unknowns, that is MAB, MBA, MBC and MCB. Now my next step is to find out the final moments, that is putting the values of EI theta B is equals to negative 1.2 in my slope deflection equation. Now I will put MAB, the value of EI theta B in this equation. What I have previously find, that is MAB is equals to 2 upon 3 EI theta B. Now putting the value of EI theta B from the above equation, that will be 2 by 3 into negative 1.2, which will give me negative 0.8 kilonewton meter. Similarly, I will put the value of EI theta B in all the equations of slope deflection equation. Now putting the value in MBA equation, that is 4 by 3 multiplied by 0.125 in negative, will directly get negative 1.6 kilonewton meter. I am directly putting the values of the equations as you can see in the side of the screen, the actual equations of the value MBA, MAB. Now next is MBC. that is negative 16 plus 2 into negative 1.2, which will give me negative 18.4 kilonewton meter. Similarly, I will solve for MCB, which will be equal to 16 plus negative 1.2, which will give me 14.8 kilonewton meter. So here we got the final values of final moment. So here we got the values of final moment, which will apply to find out the bending moment diagram for the given frame. So our final step is to draw the bending moment diagram. As we know that if a beam is carrying a UDL of load W kilonewton per meter, then the bending moment diagram will be a parabola and the maximum ordinate value is WL square by 8. Here, as we know that, as you can see in the side of the screen, that the value of the W here is 12 kilonewton per meter and the value of L is 4 meter. So putting the value, will get 12 into 4 square divided by 8 equal to 24 kilonewton meter. So here we can draw a parabola in this way, having a maximum ordinate of 24 kilonewton meter. And in this member, as there is no load is acting, so there will be no bending moment diagram. Now we have to apply the final bending moments what we have got after solving slope deflection equation. Before application of these moments, we should know about the sign conventions, that in a frame, if I am having a vertical member, then the sign convention will be like this: negative, positive, negative and positive. Means whatever the values I'll get in the bottom, will, if it is negative, I will place these moments in the left side, and similarly if it is positive value, I'll put in the right side. And if the member is horizontal, then the values will be negative, positive and positive, negative. In this way I have to apply the values of the moments in this frame. Before that, I will solve for the cantilever beam having a moment that is 20 kilonewton meter, will have a value like this. Now I'll put the values of MAB, MBA, MBC and MCB. So as we have got the value of MAB as negative 0.8, so it will be somewhere here, similar to the, as I have to put the value of sign convention according to this member. So negative 0.8 will be somewhere here. Similarly, my moment will be shifted towards the right side, as the value of MBA is negative 1.6. So my value will be somewhere here. Now my member is a horizontal member, so sign convention will be as explained here. Now the value of MBC is negative 18.4. So my negative value is here, that is upward, so my value will be somewhere here. And my final value of MCB, that is positive 14.8, so that will be somewhere here. Now I will join all the points so that I can draw my final bending moment. So in this way I'll join all the values, and here the value will be like this. As the values here I can represent with the signs positive, negative. Here the value will be of negative, and whatever the area is left with me, I will draw with a hash line like this. In this way I can show my final bending moment for the frame question. So guys, we'll end up our video here. If this video is really helpful to you, kindly subscribe, share and do comment if you have any doubts in my video. Thank you for today.